So why? It's always a big question. Why? Why do I do this? Why do I spend 2 hours a day looking through a universe of 1,200 stocks? Why do I do it? What am I hoping to find? Well, this is what I'm hoping to find. This is what I'm looking for. You can see that this stock here had a good $5 down day on pretty heavy volume in relation to this past volume. And the stock is in a downtrend and bottomed out hard here and bounced back up. And you can see during this kind of choppy sideways action, it couldn't make a new high. It pulled back and lower high here, came down, broke through that low, and then up again into about this general area. Couldn't quite make it up to that previous high. And then we get this big sell-off day, and on heavy volume. And I just know that if it can break this low, if it can break this low of $88.77, we're likely to have another good day. Maybe not another $5 day, but certainly on a day that it breaks a low, it can do, this much here from 94 down to 90.84. So, certainly this stock can move $3, if not 5, on a day that it's really going. So I know that if it breaks this low here, we're looking at least a $3 day, maybe 4, even 5, and that would put it somewhere in the neighborhood of between say 86 and $85, and let's see what it did. It actually gaps down that next day, gaps down, and comes down to a low of $85.82. So, nearly $5 there. Now I want to show you the 5 minute of this stock here. So looking at the 5 minute, we can see that it gaps down, and here's the gap down, and it just goes. It just drops. Like there's no pause here. There's not even an entry here, a valid entry on this time frame. You'd have to get in, somewhere in here on a 1 minute or 2 minute, or maybe somewhere in this range as it breaks this low and that low, breaks both those lows on a 2 minute chart. But just look at this move down. If you were to run a trailing stop, you would never even be in danger of stopping out at all. I mean, you're just moving down, 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 and it put in a good $4 move. So that's what I'm looking for. Catch something like this, even with say 300 shares. You do 300 shares of this, and you catch $4 or $5 on 300 shares, and you're looking at 1,200, $1,500. And you don't need many of those to replace a day job. So that's why I do it. That's why I look through a universe of 1,200 stocks every single day.